Welcome to Free Learning. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find duplicated rows in an Excel table and how to remove them. So first, let's find the duplicated rows. So we have here this table with these three columns: items, counts, and eaten. So first, let's concatenate the values in each row. So we write equal concatenate, and we select the values in each column and we separate them with semicolon. And we do the same for all the other rows. So after that, we select all these values and go to conditional formatting and select duplicate values. So now we can see that this row is duplicated, and actually it is here duplicated. So now let's see how to calculate how many times each row is duplicated. So if you don't want these values here, you can select them and click on format cells, go to customs and replace this with 3 semicolons. And now you can see only the colors. So the red color means that this row is duplicated. So how many times this row is duplicated? So to calculate this, we write count if, and we write for the range, we write this, and we fix it, and for the value we select the value in that row. And so this row is repeated 1 time, and for the other rows you can see here how many times each row is repeated. For example, this one is repeated 3 times. You can see it here and here and here. So now that we have found the duplicated rows and how many times each row is duplicated, we want to remove duplicated rows. So for example, for this row we want only to keep 1 instance and remove the other 2. So to do this, it's simple. We copy the table, we paste it here, and we go to data, remove duplicates, and we click on OK. And so 6 rows have been removed and only 9 rows have been kept. So now we have no duplicated rows. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.